Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're blasting off on an incredible journey through space, one that took us hundreds of millions of miles from Earth to a mysterious, spinning top-shaped world. We're talking about NASA's OSIRIS REx mission and its daring encounter with Asteroid Bennu. So what exactly is Bennu? Imagine a giant, floating rubble pile, darker than coal and absolutely ancient. At about 500 meters wide, it's not huge, but it's packed with secrets from the dawn of our solar system, over 4.5 billion years ago. Its surface is a chaotic landscape, covered in massive boulders and loose gravel. Scientists believe this carbon-rich asteroid is like a time capsule, holding the original building blocks of life. The ingredients that may have kick-started life on Earth could be locked away inside it. To unlock these secrets, NASA designed a truly ingenious spacecraft, OSIRIS REx. Picture a van-sized robotic explorer, decked out with huge solar panels that look like wings, powering its long journey. The heart of the mission, though, was its robotic arm, a clever device called TAGSAM, which stands for Touch and Go Sample Acquisition Mechanism. This wasn't a landing mission. That would be way too risky on Bennu's treacherous surface. Instead, the plan was much more elegant and much more daring. After years of travel and months of careful mapping, OSIRIS REx descended towards a carefully chosen spot on Bennu named Nightingale. As it got closer, it extended its 3-meter-long arm. Then, in a moment of cosmic choreography, it high-fived the asteroid. The head of the TAGSAM arm made contact with the surface for just a few seconds, releasing a puff of nitrogen gas. This blast stirred up a cloud of dust and small rocks, which were then captured in the sampler head. It was a cosmic grab-and-go, executed flawlessly hundreds of millions of miles away. After securing its precious cargo, OSIRIS REx began its long trip home. Finally, in September 2023, it flew past Earth and released its sample return capsule, which blazed through our atmosphere and parachuted safely down into the Utah desert. Scientists are now analyzing this pristine sample of Bennu, and the discoveries are already rewriting what we know about our solar system's history and the origins of life itself. It's a stunning achievement of science and engineering. What an incredible story, right? A 7-year, billion-mile round trip to literally touch an asteroid and bring a piece of it back home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into space exploration. As we come to the end of this journey, we're left with a profound understanding of what NASA's Bennu mission truly represents. It wasn't just a spacecraft touching an asteroid. It was humanity reaching back in time, tracing our origins to the very beginning of the solar system. The tiny grains of dust and rock brought home from Bennu hold more than scientific data. They hold a story billions of years in the making, a story about how planets form, how water travels through space, and how the building blocks of life might have been delivered to Earth. Through this mission, scientists unlocked clues that connect us to a cosmic past we could only imagine before. But the mission also carries a message for our future. Bennu's unpredictable nature and its small chance of colliding with Earth remind us that our planet is not isolated or invincible. We live in a dynamic solar system, surrounded by objects that can shape our destiny. Thanks to OSIRIS REx, we now understand these threats more clearly and have better tools to defend ourselves. The data collected will help future scientists create strategies to detect, track, and even deflect dangerous asteroids long before they become a real danger. In the end, the Bennu mission is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when curiosity meets courage. We sent a spacecraft across the solar system to gently touch a world millions of kilometers away, and it came back with answers. It came back with hope. So as we look toward the future, we remember that our greatest discoveries often come from the unknown, and our greatest protection comes from understanding the universe around us. Bennu has given us knowledge, but more importantly, it has given us perspective, that in our search for origins and safety, we are capable of extraordinary things when we dare to explore.